Okay, so step 26, finishing touches to assembly. You're going to need 2 M3 flat washers, part number 7. We're going to need 2 screws of number 27, which is this M3 by 20 millimeter. Turn down the camera here. So 2 of those. We're going to need 2 of the M3 nuts, part number 11, and this one's already got the washer on it. So first step to this is we're going to put the washer on the screw. Now this is to secure these linear bearings for the x-axis. Actually, you know what? These printed parts will not fit with the washers on them, or these screws will not fit with the washers onto the printed parts. So do not use the M3 flat washers. Taking the nut and placing it into the hexagonal hole of the printed part, placing that there, we're going to thread in the M3 by 20 screw, part number 27. We're just going to go ahead and snug that down. Now you don't want to overdo it because this just clamps into it, and if you over tighten it you can risk breaking it. So I'm going to stop there and repeat the process for the opposite end of the x-axis on the other printed part. Secure the side of the same. Okay, so just screwing around. Sorry. Get back to work. So, another finishing touch that we need to address. Yes, tighten down the M10 nuts and thread rod. So, in order to do that, I have to rotate this onto its back. We should have probably tightened this before we got this far, but I'm not going to say I procrastinated. Now using a small crescent wrench, or adjustable wrench in other terms. Going to tighten this nut down to the spring washer, lock washer has been flattened, and repeat the process on the other front end. If I get my hands on another 3D printer to build, and I'm open to building some for other people if you'd like, I will show a different assembly technique, maybe a little quicker. Now we have 4 more nuts to tighten. And we'll tighten the bottom ones here. Again until that spring washer is tightened down. And once the washer is flat, the split washer, it's usually pretty tight. I just snug it up a little bit more. So in total, tightening down all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12 of these M threaded nuts, or M10 threaded nuts. Okay. Quick inspection. Everything looks tightened. Position the wires nicely. Okay. And as far as finishing steps go, that's it. Everything else has been tightened down as we went along. Okay, so thank y'all. Good night.